What up, though? This ain't for kids. Get out of here. Damn kids. Okay, come on, popcorn. Popcorn. That's why I stay at home and make my own dinner, because I'm gonna tell you what, I like mushrooms. If I bite into some dressing and out jumps a mushroom, I'm about to knock this whole fucking table over, okay? Everything finna be on the floor. The turkey, grandma. Why are we doing that? I know damn well ain't none of y'all grandmas did that shit. I know that's the internet. And this is why I'm on the internet trying to correct the wrongs so we don't lose no recipes, because your grandma ain't told you to put no fucking cream of celery in your goddamn dressing. She didn't do it. I know she didn't. I know she didn't. Unless your grandma is a young hoe that can't cook.
Why would you say that?
Then she probably did. So when I make like Swiss meringue or Italian meringue buttercream, I use egg whites. French buttercream uses the whole egg, the yolk and the white. And it's pretty much the same concept. You cook the egg with sugar. So Italian buttercream, you whip the egg whites and then you stream hot sugar into the egg whites as they're whipping. And then once it comes down to temperature, you start adding butter to it. Okay, so Swiss meringue buttercream is like the meringue that I made on my banana pudding, but instead of putting it on top of something after you whip it, you would add butter to it. French buttercream, like I said, you use the whole egg, but you do the Italian meringue method by streaming hot syrup into the whipped egg and then beating butter. I've come to terms with, I'm gonna be the fine auntie forever, and it's okay. It's fine. It's my bit in life, you know. It's okay. You just got here, don't make you blush. What's making you blush? Oh, because I said I like my men rotund. I do. I love him chunky. He ain't no little friend if he got a great name. Woo! Hey, no shade at being 52. Do I look 52? Is my black cracking? Is my black cracking? Somebody need to tell me if my black cracking. Tell me now so I can catch it. So I can catch it early. I'm gonna cry right now. Please. Somebody please tell me. Is it cracking? I gotta go see my dermatologist. She'll tell me. I'm out here ugly. Somebody gave me the ugly. God damn it. Ah! Somebody gave me the ugly. I'm gonna get off the internet. This is too stressful. I can't be worried about this. Underhanded compliments make me want to render my backhand. You bitch. I know what you mean, you bitch. You. I motherfucker you. Honestly, here's my toxic trait. I 100% believe if I were to ever drop a fucking mixtape, that shit would go. It would go! What? Crazy. I ain't about to freestyle. Put it in a preheated oven at 325. It's gonna take about an hour and 20 minutes to bake. Pound cake. You don't even need no icing or nothing. There you go. I fell and broke my ankle in two places. I broke my ankle at the ankle and right above the ankle. Okay. Again, I am 37. Okay. In addition to that, that was not my first time fracturing that ankle. I'm getting old in this bitch. I kind of feel like it's not fair to y'all how I like to bake, because y'all fall in love with this one thing. Y'all want me to make it over and over and over again and be like, okay, I got it out of my system. I don't want to bake it no more. And that don't work for y'all. But if I show you how to do it yourself, you can have it anytime you want. And I can go and create the next thing you fall in love with. That's why I started doing this shit. That's why I want to do this shit. It was never to sell y'all birthday cakes and wedding cakes and fucking stop asking me for cupcakes. Like, Poppy Cashmore said that his great grandma used powdered sugar, but she didn't tell anybody her recipe. I'm gonna look and enjoy the cooking, because using powdered sugar, I feel like that was a real big thing, like in the 60s and the 70s, and that's one of my older cookbooks. So I feel like I've seen that kind of recipe. So with that kind of recipe, you actually want to, instead of using all-purpose flour, you need to go get some cake flour, or if you got cornstarch, you can make your own cake flour. So the way you make cake flour is for every 2 tablespoons, for every cup of flour, you remove 2 tablespoons of flour and replace it with 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. And then you sift it, in a sifter, or if you have like a strainer, a sieve. Mine is in the dishwasher probably. But make sure you sift it. And that's cake flour. So if you're gonna use, it was probably a real melty cake. If she used butter, she might have did half butter, half shortening instead of a full pound of butter. Because I'm thinking like you use powdered sugar because of how it dissolves, and you wouldn't like cake flour. It makes a lighter crumb, so you'll be able to get that effect a little better. Good recipes. Also weird recipes in there because they was doing some shit. Lots of Jell-O. They have like good science stuff. Why do y'all got Jell-O? I like Jell-O. Oh, goddamn Jell-O. This could be another recipe. A fucking Jell-O recipe. The fuck you wasting pages on a goddamn Jell-O recipe for? Even the high-end gelatin comes with instructions. Like, why the fuck are we wasting publication on Jell-O recipes? It's not in this. Like, lettuce soup. Why is that in here? So you would do 2 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. Not 3 cups of granulated sugar. And use cake flour. Let's see what other shit they got in here. I bet they got a whole Jell-O section in this motherfucker. Hold on. I just want to preface this by saying cauliflower is disgusting. Whoever invented cauliflower, because I know it is not from God, needs to be in prison. I love broccoli. With that being said, why the fuck would I want cauliflower soup? Why the fuck would I want cold soup? I don't trust these tamales in here. There's a jambalaya recipe in here. I wouldn't trust it. That's why cookbooks are so fun. Like, it be some recipes in there where you like, That's why you write cookbooks. But it be some shit in there where you like the first one I pulled up. 2022! Why in 2022? So I want to write a cookbook too. There will be no Jell-O recipe. Y'all don't understand the pressure of a passion. I'm gonna have to delete these lives later, right now. Probably. French toast waffles. Okay! Now you got some hits in here, but you got some bullshit in here. I hate veal. Oh god, it's so gross. My parents thought they was fancy, so they always used to be fucking, especially my mama. She used to make this fucking, she used to make baked spaghetti all the time when we was kids. What is this on my boob? Y'all wasn't even gonna tell me. Anyway, she used to make this fucking baked spaghetti all the time, and it had veal patties at the bottom. Oh god, so nasty. Why is it so gamey? Ugh. And the spaghetti would be so good. She's like, you better eat that veal. Like, oh. You know what bullshit my parents used to pull out all the time too? Oh, I'm about to light their ass up. I hope my daddy pop his ass on here, because baby, I got something for your ass. Sweet peas! Boy! To this day, I bet I'll throw this whole fucking plate, bro. I will throw the whole table as a matter of fucking fact. If you come and put a plate of peas in front of me, are you on drugs? Absolutely not. And I was a kid that liked vegetables. Like, bro, broccoli is right there. I love spinach as a kid. I still love spinach. Sweet peas. It's no nutritional value. This is literally just punishment. And bitch, I ain't even do nothing to you. Just fucking pops of sadness and disgrace. Like, oh god. Then your parents' age, I know I got older parents than most of y'all. Hey, they gonna piss you the fuck, bro. They so hard headed. Ooh, these niggas don't listen. Ooh, they don't listen. If you make your kids eat sweet peas, you are going to hell. Oh shit, they ain't fucking around with this potato section. This is 4 pages, 5 pages. You know, I speak too fast. Okay. I agree with their sweet potato section in this book because I am anti. Yeah, all they sweet potatoes are sweet. I am anti savory sweet potato. Why are we making sweet potato savory? Why? That should not be a thing. It's disgusting. It's an abomination. Why are you putting red onions and fucking corn salsa and shit on a sweet potato? Why are we making fries out of sweet potatoes and putting ketchup on them? Like, are y'all... Do y'all eat faces? Alright, hoochies. I really do gotta prep my own dinner now. Y'all have a lovely evening. Happy holidays. I hope y'all used your recipe. And I'll talk to you hoochies on another live stream. I'll be sewing so that I can film my next episode. Yes. Thank y'all so much for dropping in, keeping me company. I hope y'all have a happy holiday, happy Thanksgiving. Please, if you need a peach cobbler recipe or a banana pudding recipe or a sweet potato pie recipe, please make sure you head on over to my YouTube, Official Baked After Dark. I do have a Thanksgiving desserts playlist for your convenience, and it'll walk you through all your desserts for the holiday. Happy holidays.